Ayos, meron pa akong ilang minutes pa. I still have 45 minutes before the start of my shift. So, right? May kape na tayo, guys. Send. Browse ba tayo ng ating balita or whatever dito sa ating Facebook. Oh, start na pala. PBB ulit. Nice. Ano? We've been waiting for 58 minutes. Hello, hindi ako late. Ang aga-aga ko nga. Wait. Search, bakit parang aga nila? DST na ba? Oh my God. Shh. DST na nga. Bakit wala akong... Hindi mo lang ako sinabihan. Shit. Mag-join na nga ako sa meeting. Hi everyone. Good morning, evening, afternoon. Happy time zone everyone.
You're an hour late.
Actually sir, I believe we are an hour early. Because in the Philippines, we don't have a daylight saving jumping back and forth time travel thing. Our time stays loyal. It doesn't change at all.
Do you even understand how daylight savings works?
Of course. It's when the sun decides to take a break, like self-care, work-life balance.
You're always joking around. Let's just start the meeting.
After few minutes. Lord. Next time talaga, I am going to change my phone's time zone na. Or baka ito na yung sign na hindi na dapat ako mag-VA. Back to corporate world na ako. Bakit kaya?